Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a T2 corporation income tax return. First, ensure your corporation is registered with the Canada Revenue Agency and has a business number. Next, gather all necessary financial records, including income statements and balance sheets. Finally, determine your corporation's tax residency status, as this impacts filing requirements. This foundational step is crucial for accurate and timely submission. Now, let's talk about the documents you'll need. You'll require your corporation's complete financial statements, including the income statement and balance sheet. Don't forget supporting documents such as general ledgers, bank statements, and invoices. Also, compile records for any eligible tax credits or deductions your corporation plans to claim. Having these organized will streamline the entire process significantly. With your documents ready, it's time to complete the T2 return. You can use certified tax software or the official forms provided by the Canada Revenue Agency. Carefully enter all income, deductions, and credits, ensuring every detail is accurate. Pay close attention to calculating your corporation's net income and the resulting tax payable. Double-checking your entries can prevent future issues. Finally, it's time to file your T2 return and make any payments. Most corporations file electronically, which is often the quickest and most secure method. If you have a tax balance owing, ensure it's paid by the due date to avoid penalties and interest. Remember to keep copies of all submitted documents for your records. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for those leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.